What's up, everybody? Bubba Dees here, and man, I love this. I am excited about this product so much because it's been doing some amazing things over the last couple of weeks. And I'm talking about the CrispLid. If you haven't already tuned into my videos from before, check them out. So today we're going to be making steaks, perfect steaks. This is not a gimmick by any means. This is a steak in the Instapot using the CrispLid. So what you're going to need is a beef steak, obviously, some salt, and some steak seasoning, or any kind of seasoning which you like with your steak. I like using liquid smoke. Check that out and give that a shot. We're going to be using the CrispLid. We're going to be using the Instapot, and we're going to get started right now. So let's get some salt, put that all over there. Get some seasoning, put it on there as well. We're going to make sure we flip it, mix it, pat it all out together. Make sure that it's fully coated before we actually get it into our Instapot. One of the cool products that I've actually been using for some time now is something called liquid smoke. You gotta try it. You can find it at most retailers in the US. In Canada, unfortunately, you probably don't have to order it on Amazon, but you put that on and it makes it have a smoky flavor. Literally seems like it came out of a smoker. So we're gonna put that on there as well. Let's put it on our trivet, put it on our air basket, and let's get it ready to actually be put into the device. Now, what you want to do is make sure that your Instapot or whatever device you're using is completely unplugged when you're using the CrispLid. Now, we're going to put it inside. We're going to make sure that we have our trivet down first and then our air basket. We have our 2 pieces of small steaks, and we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. We're going to set our timer on our lid for about 5 minutes per side, depending on how you like it. This would probably be about medium well. If you do want it a little bit less or a little bit more rare, you can do that as well. Reduce the time. We're going to go ahead and pump that up to 500 degrees. Then from there, we're going to set the timer to 5 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and hit that play button to start the process. One of the things that I love about this device is this beautiful amberish kind of light comes on, like you're looking at the sun. And you can kind of get a little peek in there every now and then. Look at that. That's amazing. So once it's ready to be flipped over, we're going to go ahead and take off our lid. We're going to kind of turn our steaks over. You can test them at this point if you want to see how firm or how soft they are. Maybe you need to increase the time or decrease the time depending on how you like your steak. Go ahead and give that a little flip over. And then from there, we're going to put the lid back on. We're going to set the time back at 5 minutes, 500, hit play. And in no time, we're going to have a beautiful, beautiful steak. And there you go. So our steak is all done. Took us 10 minutes. You got a meal for yourself. If you do have a medium-sized family to small-sized family, you can definitely put a couple pieces of steaks in there. But one of the amazing things about the CrispLid is that you're not dirtying any other pots. You're using your Instapot or whatever device you got. You're putting this CrispLid on top to give yourself an air fryer, and you're getting beautiful, perfect steaks. Now, I put a little pieces of broccoli in just to kind of complete the meal. And you can put it whatever sides you want as well. But one of the things that you got to do right now is you got to actually, when you cut this and you smell this in your home, it is like perfection. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me give this a little cut. Yep, just like that. And I'm going to bring this close so you guys can see. This is as perfect as you can possibly get. You may like your steak a little bit more rare. You can go ahead and reduce the time on that, but that's what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat that because that is delicious. That is amazing. I cannot lie, guys. This is one of the best steaks I've ever made using a device that I never thought I'd be able to make a steak in. So, give it a shot. Purchase it if you haven't already done so. Continue following basic, simple things. I'll give a full review on this product, but right now I'm giving it, 5 stars all the way through. If you haven't done so, make sure you go to the website. You can save a little bit if you go to Mealthy.com. You get a $10 savings if you use the code BubbaDees. Make sure you follow us on all social medias. And I'm gonna continue eating the steak, guys. This is perfect. This is perfect. ask me questions. I always reply. You know, thank you for following me. Subscribe to the channel, of course, and make sure you hit that little bell. Subscribe and hit that little bell so you can know when I'm posting new videos. Have a good one.